Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make cheesecake at home using an easy method. First, let's prepare the perfect crust. You'll need about 1.5 cups of graham cracker crumbs, 1/4 cup of melted butter, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Combine these ingredients thoroughly, then press the mixture firmly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. This creates a delicious, sturdy foundation for your creamy cheesecake. Next, we'll create the luscious cheesecake filling. Start with 24 ounces of softened cream cheese, beating it until it's wonderfully smooth. Gradually incorporate 1 cup of granulated sugar and 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Finally, add 3 large eggs, one at a time, mixing just until combined after each addition. Be careful not to overmix, as this can introduce too much air. Now it's time to bake your masterpiece. Carefully pour the creamy filling over your prepared graham cracker crust in the springform pan. Bake it in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for 60 to 70 minutes, or until the edges are set, but the center still has a slight jiggle. After baking, turn off the oven and let it cool inside for 1 hour before chilling it for at least 4 hours. Once your cheesecake is perfectly chilled, it's ready for its grand finale. You can top it with fresh berries, a rich chocolate ganache, or a tangy fruit compote. The possibilities are endless for customizing your dessert. Remember to check the description below for links to some great deals, including Little Tree's Black Ice air fresheners. Now, slice into your homemade cheesecake and enjoy every single creamy, delightful bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.